even though this guy has a short coat, we are going to be brushing and combing him still, because every pet gets thoroughly brushed and combed. But first we're going to start with his nails. We want us to pick up the pet's foot gently. Don't want to grab it. Let him know what we're doing. And feel free to talk to the animal. Make them feel secure. Get to know them. He has black nails. He has black nails and it's hard to see, but typically there is a little hook, as you could kind of see on that dew claw, and you could see on the longer nails there is a little notch. We're going to cut just before that. And if I think I could take off more, I'm going to make multiple cuts instead of just one. Constantly making sure that he feels safe, he has a loose leg, he's not pulling, he's not crying, it's not causing him any pain. He might be a little bit jumpy, but it's an intimidating sound and there is slight pressure on the nail when it is cut. If you cut a nail too short, you want to go to your quick stop. Put a little in your fingers or on the lid and then apply it to the tip of the nail for 30 to 60 seconds. Stand up. You do not want to lift their legs sideways. You want to lift their legs always, front and back, in a natural state that the leg goes. It could go up a little bit, it could go up this way, or it could go backwards. Do not lift the legs sideways because you want to protect the knees and the hips at all times. To get this rear leg, I'm going to turn the pet and pull his foot backwards. And then he could lean against my leg, or he could lean against my arm. Now I'm going to remove all the things that we're not using without stepping away from the pet. I still have full control over his safety, and we're going to thoroughly brush him out and comb him before we start any clipping at all. Again, I use the same formula, top to bottom, front to back, to make sure I'm not skipping anything. If you don't have to do things that way, but that's what I find that works to make sure I'm not jumping around the pet and forgetting pads, forgetting nails, or skipping any steps.